Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to search on the Netflix platform. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Netflix application on your device. And once you open it up, if you haven't logged into your account already, you will be asked to enter your credentials to log in. So type in your email address and your password, and once you are logged in, you can choose your profile from the Who's Watching screen. After choosing your profile and logging into it, you will be taken to the home page from which you can browse through the various different shows that are available on Netflix. Now, in order to find a show that you might want to watch, you can simply scroll through the home page and you will see various different recommendations. If you don't find anything within this page that you want to watch, then from the top section you can choose between TV shows and movies. Now from here you can once again browse through the various different options from either the TV shows and the movies section. You will also see the categories drop-down menu which you can tap on and then choose from the various different categories such as languages, genres and much more. After choosing your preferred genre, you will once again be shown the various different options that match the genre or the language that you selected. Now you will also find the search button at the top right corner which you can use in order to search for various different shows that you already know the name of. So tap on the search box and then type in the name of the show that you want to watch. And once you find the show, you can tap on it and then start enjoying your show by tapping on the play button. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to use the search feature to find your favorite shows on Netflix. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.